Wow. Gorgeous. It's literally dry shampoo, okay? I got this clip for free from Garnier. I didn't mean to rhyme. Oh, look how cute that is. Anyway, hi, hello. I need to do a specific kind of look that's been rolling around in my brain, and I'm very excited. That's right. I'm going back to this gorgeous, lovely, perfect palette. If you haven't seen it, well, have you not watched my other videos? And do you hate me? Just checking. Trolls running to the comments right now being like, as actually, I do. Anyway, stunning, 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 stunning. But I need to use some of the purples and pinks today because I just need to. Like, I actually need to. Testing, we're testing this out. Okay. Why do I get so much energy all of a sudden for no reason? Did I forget my sponge? No. La la, la la, la, na na na. What is that? Cute. I'm gonna start off with the shade Illusion, which is like this light purple. It's like a lilac-y color. Stamp it up here to start. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Well. Okay. I'm gonna go straight down the purple row, and I'm gonna go in with, what is that? I thought that said pre-save, and I was like, are we dropping an album? Presents. Can I read? Impossible challenge. Gonna take it kind of up in the crease, but like over in this direction. Oh, I like that. Ooh, that kind of purple. Yeah. Same brush, going straight down with Figment. Putting it a little bit lower. Oh. Okay, Figment. Whoa. Woo. I kind of make a little faux wing situation. I don't know what I'm doing actually. I'm not gonna lie. I have an idea, but I don't know what verbs, words, adjectives, nouns, nothing. I don't know what to say, to use. Okay, what? Going over straight to the pink row, I'm gonna take Entrancement. Now this is a hot pink shade. I have high hopes for this, and I'm just gonna put it right in the corner, kind of just stamp it a little bit, little by little. Sweet God. Why would I even be surprised at this point? But man, it feels good to use incredible eyeshadow. God. So I'm gonna put that right there. Just that little pocket. Taking Sensory, I'm gonna pat it just right in here, just a little bit. Right on the beginning part of the lid. Ooh. And then I want to take a little bit of Hypnotic. No, I'm gonna take Deviant, which is the darkest. It's a purpley pink on the edge. Okay. Sometimes I like to pat down the colors, get a placement out before I start blending, because I can't really see it until I see it. You know what I mean? Just repeating everything over here. They're blending together so perfectly. I'm angry. What is this feeling that I'm feeling? It's not anger. It's I'm literally so excited I could punch through a wall. Trust the process. Damn. You don't even need to trust it. That looks just so good. Wow. Honestly. I'll stop. No, I won't. Priming my lower lash with a cream clay shadow. God, I love that. Then I'm going to make this incredibly blown out. Literally obsessed. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Presence. Pre-save? Presence. Jesus Christ. Presence first, I think. No, I'm going to go in with Figment. Figment purple first. Mostly keep it halfway. Yeah. So I'm gonna add that pink in. Entrancement on the other half, and just kind of smushing them together. Yeah. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with that shade. That is a freaking pink. I'm gonna bring this a little bit lower actually. Oh my God, yes. Oh my God, yes. Perfect. Deviant just on the very edge to connect the two. My God, do I love that shade. Yeah, bitch. It's literally looking perfect. Here's the thing. The cheek glaze. The cheek glaze is literally so insane. It is so gorgeous. It's so stunning. I need to use this as an inner corner, or lightly just put it on the inner corner where that pink is to see. I love pink highlight so much. So I'm going to take a little bit of it on a pencil brush and just kind of see. I'm going to tap mostly I literally did one tap and I already know in my soul, in my being. Oh. Yep. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that where the pink is. I'm so supremely happy because I'm gonna start screaming. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna put a ton of this on my cheeks and my nose and just everywhere. You already know. If you didn't know, how could you know actually? Maybe you thought I was gonna use something different. Anyway, I wanna put one of these shimmers on the lid. I think I wanna use Transcend. Let me touch this. Gee, what is this formula? Yeah, all right. Yeah, all right. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'm gonna take the tiniest bit and just put it right in the center. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna take whatever's left over and just kind of lightly tap around because I want a little bit of shine up here, but like, ooh, yeah. Oh, these are so freaking nice, dude. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, for sure. I love that. Who could have thought? Who could have guessed? Me and all of us. We all knew. All right. This is one of those moments where I'm so in love with this look. I'm so happy with it. I feel like a little proud of it even because I'm like, oh my God, it's so cute. The quality, unmatched. Truly unmatched in every single thing that is on my face right now, in my eyes, my lips. I love this collection. My God. Ellis, Blend Bunny, congrats again. This is stunning. Everything about this is stunning. Also, yes, I am wearing the blushes, and Lord, if you want to see those, let me know. I'm probably just going to show you either way because you need to see them. But the cheek glaze I am also wearing, and it's just so good. Like, it is supreme. I love this color combination. This is exactly what I was kind of thinking in my head. Actually, this is a little bit better than I was thinking in my head if I'm going to be honest here, if I'm going to be a little humble. But yeah, I love purple and pink looks together, obviously with a little wing. Just a dainty wing, but I feel so good. Yet again, I have done a look that I'm obsessed with and I already cannot wait to do another one because doing specifically eyeshadow with this palette makes doing fun looks easy. I don't have to be concerned if there's going to be a patch or there's going to be a gap or I'm going to have an issue with shades blending together. I have never run into that with Blend Bunny. It's so fun. It makes makeup more fun. And I know that $66 for a palette is not cheap by any stretch of the imagination. However, I would argue that the amount of money that I've put into other palettes that are not good quality and I do not get good use out of and have not in the many, many years that I've been using eyeshadow, I would purchase this time and time again, over and over again. I sincerely hope that this is like becomes a permanent collection or something, but yeah, I feel like if you're looking for a rainbow palette with a little extra oomph, with like you don't need anything else, it's a one-stop shop kind of situation. What does that mean, one-stop shop? You get everything at the shop? Anyway, whatever. The shine of the shimmers too actually being so seamless and impactful at the same time, I'm obsessed. I'm in love. These are also my favorite kinds of tones of pinks and purples, so it's like all of my favorite ways to do my favorite colors have been put in this palette so far. So I am eager to try other shades immediately. I haven't used them all yet, but yeah, it is just like check, period. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate it. You can find me other places if you would like. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! This look is so good. It's literally so good. It's so stunning. It's so perfect, and it's everything that I ever wanted. Okay. Bye!